Good morning all of you. Myself Soni Hire, and today we will learn about the rectilinear propagation of light. This is the property of light, and this property shows that beam of light is travel in a straight line. Suppose there is the dark room. In that dark room from the small hole of window, when sun ray it is the enter, so that sun ray beam it travel in a straight line, but sometime we are not understanding by seeing this one in a dark room. So to understand the properties of light, today we will perform the one experiment. Through this experiment it will clear in your mind properties of light. So for the experiment we need some material. So which is material we need? First we need the 3 old CDs, like this 3 CDs we need. After we need the matchbox, candle and 6 cloth drying clips. This material we need to perform the experiment. So first step we have to make the stand for CDs, because during the experiment we can't hold continuously CDs. It is impossible, and we will not get the result because of tired. So what we will do, how we will make the stand for the CDs? So one side we have to fix the one clip, and another side of CD we have to fix the another clip. After the fixing this CDs, when we will keep on a surface, so that CD without the hole or catch, it will be the stand straight because of this clip. So like this stand for the all 3 CDs we have to make. Already I made the arrangement. Look at this. These are the all 3 CDs, and all these 3 CDs it is arranged with a stand, with a clip. First CD, second CD, third CD, and last there it is the candle. So this way we have to do the arrangement. After the arrangement, second process is we have to burn the candle, and after the burning the candle, in a opposite side of CDs we have to observe the burning candle. So let's observe. So when we will observe the candle in opposite side of CDs, so what we will get the result? Easily, what we will get the result? Easily we can able to see the burning candle. Why? Because when a candle it is the burning, so from the burning of the candle, beam of light it is the pass and travel through the all 3 CDs. That's why we are able to see the burning candle in opposite sides. Suppose now in a between second series, if I will take the aside, what we will get the result? Let's see, observe. Now after the taking the second series aside from this arrangement, what we will get the result? We will get the result candle we cannot able to see. Why? Because beam of a light it will not travel in a curve. It is a travel in a straight. So that's why we will not get the result by this arrangement. So during this experiment it is clear that the beam of light always is travel in a straight line, and this property of light is called as the rectilinear propagation of light. I hope maybe you understood by this experiment the properties of light. Thank you.